Yo, I had an OG tell me once, don't go places you're not valued, respected, or appreciated, or people don't love you, you know what I'm saying? You go there, you don't know, you already know why the energy is so wicked washy, you know what I'm saying? It's off their aura and off their skin, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's already showing they don't fuck with you. You don't have to communicate or talk to you. They're showing you by their energy, you know what I'm saying? Don't play stupid, you play yourself, you know what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, go places you are valued, people love you, people actually come to see you, serve you, like even when they talk to you, like, oh, Damo, you know what I'm saying? I like to, you know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy. Or they say, Damo, or they say Black Problem. People, I like going places, I feel the love when I walk in the air. If I don't feel the love, I don't need to be there. You don't know, you should know already, you know?